Today we're showing you how to create a vision board, aka the place where you can visualize everything you want to achieve, experience and feel. We're showing you how to get from this to this. You can start with a blank canvas or head to our templates for an inspiration boost. Once you have your canvas, choose a background color that will complement your images. Head to your graphics palette, click Add Your Own, and this is where you'll upload all of your inspiring images. Now this is the fun part. Place your images around your canvas, play with the order using your layers palette, add some detail with textures and shapes. Using the text tab, choose from a variety of fonts or upload your own, and finish up with your favorite inspirational quote. There's no right or wrong here. Play around until you're happy with how it looks. Then export and start visualizing.